today I'm gonna do a cooking video, a little bit. So the first step is we're gonna make a risotto. We buy it like this. That's the pan where I'm gonna put in the risotto, like now. So it's in. That is the bouillon sauce with chicken wings. So after the chicken wings are a little bit done, I pull it out and I will marinate it. That is a champignon sauce with roux and mushrooms, also already done. Yeah, because I didn't have time today. And that's that. Then spices. To marinate the chicken, we use these spices. Then, of course, paprika. See, paprika. Yeah, garlic, like an oil, so it's oily and it's very tasty. And the normal olive oil, also to now fry the risotto. Soya sauce, all to marinate the chicken. That's not for the risotto. Then we use also the walnut oil, made in Belgium. So that's all for the chicken marinade. We put also wine in the risotto. It is white wine. So that becomes here in when it's almost ready. We bless it with wine, also this wine. Okay. So the next step, I will let you see. So that's the card for my son. I'm gonna try to repair the lamp. The lamp is this. So we have tried to make the lamp. So the lamp is okay. Now we're gonna test. It comes, everything is okay. It doesn't move. It's okay. See, we check if the lamp is okay when he drives the car. You must be sure that it's okay. And the cut. Yeah, it's okay, the lamp is okay. So now the rice is bacon, I don't know what to say, and olive oil. So I wait till it's a little bit brown. And then I start to put the bouillon, and it must go slowly. You cannot rush risotto. When you rush risotto and you will eat it after an hour, it doesn't taste not anymore good. Really, it's not eatable. Okay, so that's this. And now I'm gonna marinate. I'm gonna take out the chicken wings and marinate them, and then I will let you see when they are marinated and how I will cook. Now is the moment for the marinade from the chicken. It's here. So I just marinate it in a bag so that I don't have all these things in my hands, and I will prepare it on the air fryer. So that's that. I also forgot to tell, I made bread a few months ago and they are not all cooked. So now I prepare the oven to also do cooking the bread. Okay. So that are the chicken wings in the air fryer. So it goes in. Then we put on. It's 280 graden. Then we do play, and now it's ready to cook. It needs 15 minutes the first time, and after 15 minutes I'm checking if they are cooked or done. If it is not, I must put a few minutes more to cooking, but it takes now 15 minutes. That the most important thing in risotto, and it's Parmigiano cheese. If you don't have Parmigiano, no, risotto don't taste, and it's not so, you know, but okay. So now I'm cooking the risotto, and when do you know the risotto is ready? Is when all the bouillon has absorbed. Miguel is laughing at me. Not laughing. Hoe zeg je uitlachen?
Making fun of me, laughing at
Making
me.
fun of me. He jokes with me. He tease me.
Tease.
So Miguel is the cameraman today. Yeah? The most important thing also in the risotto is Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino. If you don't put that, no risotto. It's not a real risotto. No.
What he's basically saying is that it's Italian cheese.
But they know that, I think they know that. So you must be already almost ik moet hier altijd zijn. Zeg je dat?
He always has to be present. He always has to be here.
You must leave your risotto there and go do other things. Then it's over with the risotto. You must stirring all the way until it's ready. So the cheese come at last, the all last, and then you will see it's creamy, very creamy. Yeah.
We have a pause. We have an aftikken.
Now you can see that the moisture, the rice has taken all the moisture. See, and now the last step is the cheese, Parmigiano, or Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino. You put it in there. You put in as much as you love. Doesn't have a measurement. Yeah. So now you will see how. Hoe zeg je dat? Smelt, hoe de kaas smelt in de rijst.
You can see how the cheese is melting into the risotto that you can see there.
And risotto must not be dry. Must be have a little moisture in it. When it's dry, it's not risotto. Then you go to the Chinese, and then you get dry risotto. That's not risotto, rice. Rice. So I think. What do you think? Is it okay?
But I don't know
Enough
much.
cheese,
Yeah,
cheese?
sure, enough.
But you trust me, yeah? You know I cook good.
I trust the chef.
The big chef. So you see how smooth it is? Smooth and yeah. It's smooth. Okay. So now the risotto is done, and we will see us at the table when it's time to eat.